How to contact support in Rush Xtreme. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Rush Xtreme and need help with a problem, then you can easily contact the support within the game. First, open up Rush Xtreme on your Android or iOS device and wait for the game to load to main menu. Once you're inside this page, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, and from the settings menu, go to the bottom and tap on the support button. On the next page, go ahead and enter your email address in the first field. Then select your category for your issue and describe your problem in the text box at the bottom. After going ahead and explaining your problem, you can then tap on these two square boxes at the bottom and tap on submit. So that is how to contact the Rush Xtreme support. Then the support team will be able to assist you in resolving game-related issues. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.